Hey guys, what's up? Quarantine 19. We're sitting in the parking lot. Yep, made it here. It was like, gosh, an hour and 20 to get here. Pretty crazy. Watching the new gauges. New gauges work great. Temperature was fantastic. Man, I guys got to show you a new cooling trick. We're gonna do some myth busting in a couple weeks. But man, I'm excited. It'll be a fun day today. We're gonna walk around, check out what cars we can find. Hopefully get some interviews in. This will be a hectic day because it's a cruise, so not many people being static and stationary. So let's see what we can find. A badass road runner. Here's the horn. Yes. Thank you. Charger day. Woo! Love it. You guys want some inspiration? Oh my God. I believe this Camaro is also on Autotopia LA's YouTube channel, but you gotta follow this guy. Woo! Man, this thing's crazy. Next project, Pro Charger for sure. Not sure what to say here, everyone, but oh my God. Another Charger. I'm in love with this one. Oh my. Damn it. More LS fun. Love this Chevelle. Oh my gosh. This is Mike with FiTech. Look at that niceness. I love this Nova. Woo. This is John Henson with Curry. Curry rear ends. Might be a new project for the channel. But man, the stance on this. Oh, I love it. If it ain't tucked, you're doing it wrong. Man, so pretty. There we go. 70. There's probably the baddest Mustang in the world. So clean. If anyone has $1 million laying around, you could probably get one of these. Craftsmanship is amazing. Gotta love the plate here because it is. You guys know I like the stance. Whew. 70 Chevelle. Look at this Chevelle. It actually comes with drinks. Hey guys, I'm here with Sean. He's got this badass Grand AM 73, right?
73.
73?
Right.
I need you guys to hear it from him. Bitchin' story. I'm gonna ask some questions. Walk us around the car, whatever you want. Doesn't matter. But Sean, how did this come to fruition? This is the craziest, coolest, off-the-wall build. Go.
Thanks, Mike. I appreciate that. When I was a kid, I was growing up in New York. Somebody had this car in the neighborhood when I was probably about 8 or 9 years old. I remember really liking it, and then fast forward to 1990. I had just gotten out of the Air Force. I'm driving down Van Nuys Boulevard up in the valley. I see this car sitting on the front line of a Dodge dealer's lot, and some memories just come flooding back about this car. So I go into the dealership, find out about the car, bought the car. The original owner had just turned it in for a truck. I was able to get all the original paperwork and documentation that he had from the time he had bought it to when he sold it to the dealership, and I've had it. And that was in 1990. And so I've had the car for 31 years. And
wow,
this is my interpretation of what I would have built, how
brand
it should have
new,
been
right?
built. Yeah, but I wanted
sound familiar,
to,
guys? Yeah.
I wanted to keep it relatively stock as far as the body, and just make some minor improvements.
Sure.
Suspension, brakes, you know, a little bit on the
Why don't we
interior.
tell me about the engine, and we'll work our way back. How about that?
So the engine is an LS7.
Nice.
And it's got Brodix heads. It's got a moderate cam in it, nothing too crazy. It's all GM fuel injected, computerized, makes about 600 horsepower to the flywheel. Very, very easy to drive. It's got a 6-speed T56 hooked up to it, and a set of 373s. Suspension is FiTech and Global West, combination of both.
Oh, okay.
Coilovers front and rear, so I can put the car where I want it.
Yeah. Those are
just
custom.
A really nice, easy car to drive.
You got the
very powerful
tall spindles, looks like.
So it's got the SpeedTech ATS spindles on it, and the Corvette 14.25-inch rotors and Wheelwood 6 pistons.
Nice. What about the interior? Tell me about the interior.
The seats are actually out of a 2011 Honda CRZ, and I pulled them out of a junkyard for $100. And then I had everything redone. And the Hearst theme is what I wanted, because I like Hearst cars. They never built a Hearst Grand AM, so I had the embroidery done on the seats and on the floor mats, and then I had the badges built specifically for the car.
Nice. Of course, everyone's firing up to leave on the quarantine cruise right now, and we're getting through this quickly, but awesome build. Love the brakes. But man, I love it. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Sean. Let's have a good cruise today. Let's have some fun. And let's go find some more cars. McLaren fans? I love your ride too.
That's clean as hell, man.
Thank you. Okay, here's some craziness for you, boys and girls. Surprises at the end. Oh my God. Love the green accents here. Woo! Anyone want a blower? Oh my God. Check this out. I have a badass video of this guy did a 100-foot burnout in front of me. We're driving. I'm gonna try and pull that dash cam footage and put it up right here. How's that for a rolling burnout? Oh my God, that was awesome. Nick, you're a madman. I love it. I happen to be in the right place at the right time with a dash cam. How nuts is that? Oh, and Sean, thanks for the time today on the interview. Did you guys see how fast his Grand Am was going? He was actually chasing the McLaren. I don't know if you noticed that, but man, that was fun to watch. Made me excited. I had such a great time today. The other cool thing is I made it home with no issues. Temperature didn't exceed 195. We're going to talk about a temperature myth in a few episodes. No leaks. And most importantly, no oil consumption. Huge problem with big blocks that we're using nowadays, and especially modified ones. Now, the trick was an ME Wagner PCV valve. If you've never heard of that, go check it out. I installed one like 3 or 4 episodes ago. Worked as advertised. I love it. Man, now if you're ever in Southern California or Nevada or whatever, and you want to make it to a quarantine cruise, I left all the Instagram pages below. The cruise itself, the guys that run the cruise, follow them, and all the owners of the cars I shot today. If you guys see one I'm missing, just leave a comment. I can add it to the list. That's the beauty of editing descriptions in YouTube. Now, next episode, we are going to talk about a new tire dressing that's on the market. Well, it's new to me. I'm getting new tires, so I want to try it out because I'm sick of the sling, if you know what I mean. So subscribe, let's have some fun, and you guys know the drill. Build them fast, drive them faster. See ya.